Do you have credit card bills circling back around at you month in and month out? It can be very stressful, I know. I've been there, done that. If you're tired of juggling bills and scrambling to make ends meet, I can help. I can even help you find more money this year so that paying and tracking your bills is not so overwhelming. There is a proven way to find money and even save money, which can help you handle bills in ways you might not have yet even considered. As a board-certified professional organizer, I help clients get their lives organized and simplified. If you're intrigued, click this link to learn how I have helped clients save $200 to $1,000 each month. Go ahead and get a fresh start with your money beginning this year. You can take control and find multiple ways to save money. Click the link to check it out. I will see you in the Financial Organizing Masterclass.